Installing Call of Duty can sometimes lead to server timeout issues. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough to support online gaming. You can do this by running a speed test and checking for any interruptions in service. Step 2. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. This can help refresh your connection and resolve any temporary network issues. Step 3. Update game and system. Make sure that both your game and gaming system PC console are updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates and install them to ensure compatibility and performance. Step 4. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can block the game from connecting to the server. Temporarily disable these programs or add exceptions for Call of Duty in the settings to allow the game to connect. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to the game's customer support for further assistance. They may provide specific solutions based on your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve server timeout issues and enjoy your gaming experience. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional help.